Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to calculate descriptive statistics on Excel. So first, we need to have some data to calculate descriptive statistics. So as you can see here, I'm having data related to resting energy expenditure and total body water. So to calculate descriptive statistics, we need to have the data tab on Excel. As you can see here, the data tab on Excel, first we need to click here on this data tab. Then after clicking on this data tab, data analysis tab will be open. Then we have to click here on data analysis tab. Once we click on data analysis tab, the another tools will be open. There are different tools by which you can measure, you can apply different kind of statistics like ANOVA, correlation. There are many things. So we have to calculate descriptive statistics. So I'll select the descriptive statistics, click on OK. Then the tab is open. As you can see here, the input range, we have to delete this one and we have to select the input range. So simply we can select the data. If there is two data, there is two variable, resting energy expenditure and total body water. So first we will calculate the resting energy expenditure. So in input range, we'll select the data from first to 90. And our data is in column, so it is already selected. And the labels, we'll click on labels because in first we are having the name of the variable, resting energy expenditure. So after clicking on the label, this will not be calculated in the descriptive statistics. This particular one, the name of the variable will not be included. So then here you can see the output range. We have to delete this, and the output range you have to click anywhere in the Excel where you want to have that descriptive statistics output. So I am going to click here on this particular sheet. So this particular sheet name is F3. Then we have to click here on summary statistics. We'll click here on summary statistics and click on OK. Now we got the descriptive statistics of resting energy expenditure. It includes mean, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum, maximum, and sum of, and count also. So this is one way of calculating descriptive statistics. But if you want to calculate the descriptive statistics for this both variable together, resting energy expenditure and total body water, again I'm going to show you. Just click on data analysis, descriptive statistics. Okay. This range will delete. We'll select both the data, resting energy expenditure and total body water. Two columns we have selected. Labels already clicked. Then output range we have to put. We need our data here in this particular cell. And summary statistics, it is okay. Then click on OK. Now we got the descriptive statistics for both variables. You can see here. We have got descriptive statistics for resting energy expenditure and for total body water. Thank you so much.